Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today, both Nifty and Bank Nifty opened with a gap up. Compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty gap up was a bit more. Bank Nifty's first 5 minutes candle low was not broken. Bank Nifty throughout the day, it was staying at the upper range itself. But after this move, it was just consolidating within an area. Nifty after the open, there was some kind of selling pressure in the market, but quickly we could see a good reversal. Now during the pre-market itself, my view about the market was bullish. There are two reasons for it. Based on price action, my understanding was after this continuous move, if Nifty breaks this upper level, then Nifty has a chance of moving towards the upside, or even if Nifty corrects, the buyers who are there at this zone, they would have already made profit during the gap up. So market cannot target them. From here, we couldn't see a correction. This was one reason. One more reason is this is monthly expiry week. From last 5 days, market was continuously falling. At some point of time, who have shorted the market, they need to cover their shorts, right? So at least a decent move towards the upside is what I expected, and my understanding was up to 24,500 Nifty will not move. From this zone itself, I expected Nifty to correct. In Bank Nifty case, expectation was the upper level will be held because ICICI Bank results have come. It is good. Market can treat it as a positive news. HDFC also was moving well. So these two stocks can hold Bank Nifty. Based on that, when we got a reversal in Nifty, instead of giving a breakout, this is the zone where I said buying pressure can start in the market. When market opened, this zone, if market had moved towards the upside, I would have looked for call option trade. That's what I have explained here. This has to break for us to look for call. We cannot plan for a call as of now, because this zone, it has to break. From this zone, Nifty started correcting. I had mentioned this is the buying zone. This zone, quickly we could see buying pressure in the market. At 952 itself, I said Nifty as of now is in buyer's pressure zone. So if you are holding call, day's low will be the maximum SL. From there, you can see Nifty continuous momentum towards the upside. My stop loss got hit somewhere here, but that too by mistake it happened. So before I planned my entry itself, the moment started, right? The buying pressure started. So I was waiting for the next opportunity. Later Nifty gave a moment close to 135 points. Somewhere around 10:15, I said market is forming a bullish flag pattern. Small scalping trade on call side is available. Later from this zone, the moment started, and I clearly said can't say Nifty can reach our resistance level also. As per our expectation, Nifty reached our resistance. So at that point of time, this was our exit plan in Nifty. The first setup gave movement close to 100 points. The second setup gave a movement of close to another 100 points. Later point, my observation was Nifty has formed a cup. It can form a handle. Because my expectation is Nifty will not go above 24,500 zone, it can form a handle. This is what I thought. Nifty corrected, moved up, it could not reach 24,500. Again, there was a correction. In Bank Nifty also, after this zone, I said market expectation is sideways to bearish. That is what has happened in the market to a certain extent. So interesting two setups in Nifty we were able to identify and capture. For me, the first setup should have already worked, but by mistake I exited, because of which the bullish flag pattern scalping setup worked for me. So all these updates, whatever you're seeing here, when I updated this in the private Telegram group, I also forwarded this to the free Telegram channel. You can see the time around 11 o'clock. When Bank Nifty was at this zone also, I said people would have entered 51,500 considering this as support. The stop loss at the bottom, Bank Nifty can correct. So we could see all those corrections in the market. Quickly it reversed. Avoiding call option trade after 11 o'clock would have been the best idea for many people. That's what we decided. Later point of day, you can see Nifty corrected, Bank Nifty corrected, but that moment was after 2 o'clock, right? Around 2 o'clock, I decided not to look at the market anymore. Whatever movement we wanted, we got it in the morning itself. One of the top losers for today's market was Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and market drivers, of course, I've told you ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. Now recent corporate earnings like ITC, ICICI Bank, all of these have given some kind of positive movement in the market. Market did not take into consideration about Israel and Iran war. Israel recently bombed Iran's military base, right? Market did not take that into consideration because we had some cooling period. This bombing happened somewhere on Saturday, I believe. Then market had some cooling period. But during the live market, if this bombing would have happened, market would have reacted negatively based on this. Because of this Iran and Israel war, definitely it is impacting oil prices. There's a lot of fluctuation in the market in regards to oil. Stocks like Tata Steel performed well. Mahindra stock also went up by 2.3% last week. Based on the results, they pushed Mahindra down. This week, a slight momentum towards the upside to give it some breathing space. According to me, there are only two reasons why market moved up today. One was monthly expiry is coming close, and 31st is holiday because of Diwali. Because of all this reason, people would have thought of covering their short position. That might be one of the driving force for market to move towards the upside. For Bank Nifty, ICICI Bank results would have given that extra push to move. So this is about today's market. Let's quickly discuss about what kind of opportunities we have for tomorrow. Traders, some time back we had discussed about Israel attacking Iran's military base on Saturday, right? Market did not react that much to it, but now Iran has responded saying that they are going to retaliate. This will create geopolitical tension, right? So in Nifty's chart, in case Iran retaliates, it is going to have impact in our market also. We have marked certain important levels on the chart. First is this area, this recent support, and this recent resistance. Previously it was acting as support. Once this is broken, it is acting as resistance. Also you can see I've drawn a trend line here. Now in case our market opens with bigger gap down, then the possibility of downtrend continuation is high. This I'm saying based on geopolitical tension. If our market is not reacting anything in terms of that, then where our market has closed, it has closed between recent swing high and swing low. So this is going to be some kind of confusion zone in the market. In case our market comes out of this zone, goes above 24,500, corrects, later if this level is broken, then in Nifty, it has potential of reaching 24,900 level. This is the next resistance area. So Nifty can reach up to that level. After accumulation, when we get a breakout, then we can expect trend to continue. Or else directly if market breaks this level, then it can come back to the same range and trap retail traders. So waiting for our zone and planning our trade, keeping this geopolitical tension in mind becomes very important. Extreme gap down, then we'll be looking for bearish setup. Within this zone, we are going to avoid any kind of trade in the market. After consolidation, when we get a breakout in Nifty, we can be looking for call option trade. So this was about Nifty. In Bank Nifty also, you can see I marked a trend line here. Continuously this has been acting as resistance. Now important next support zone in Bank Nifty is this range. Previously this has been acting as support in the market. Now also you can see there is a gap here. If Bank Nifty moves towards the downside, based on how it moves, if it moves slowly, we will draw a trend line like this. And here if you're getting any breakout setup with small stop loss, we can be looking for call option trade in Bank Nifty. 51,450. This will be the first target. Maximum Bank Nifty can go up to this area. If Bank Nifty wants to continue the up move, it has to correct first, create liquidity, only then it can move. So this opportunity, if you miss during this reversal, we can be looking for call. Now let's say Bank Nifty just opened within this zone and it is just consolidating without filling this gap. We cannot plan for any kind of trade because this can be a trapping zone. Extreme gap down based on the geopolitical tension, then we will decide. The sellers who entered in the market at this zone, already they would have made profit. To create panic for put option buyers, market can move little towards the upside, but later the trend can continue. That is why extreme gap down, we will be looking at the market with a bearish point of view. Within the zone, if the market opens, it is better that we wait, mark important support and resistance level on the chart, then we will decide. Traders, for tomorrow's market, what we have done, we have marked all the important levels on the chart. So best thing that we can do is wait based on where the market opens. According to that, we can decide what kind of trading setup we can have for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning the view can change. That is why please join our free Telegram channel. During the pre-market report, if there is any additional details, I will share that with you. As usual, live market update will be shared in the private Telegram group. Now if you enjoyed this analysis, share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.